Stonehenge. A name that echoes through the corridors of time. The name conjures images of a distant past, shrouded in mystery and wonder. For centuries, these massive stones have stood on Salisbury Plain, enduring the elements and the passage of time. A silent testament to a civilization lost to time, yet still whispering its secrets to those who listen. Who were the builders of this ancient monument? What drove them to undertake such a monumental task? What purpose did it serve? Was it a place of worship, a celestial observatory, or something else entirely? These questions have captivated historians, archaeologists, and dreamers alike for generations. Some theorized it was a temple for sun worship, its stones meticulously positioned to align with celestial events. The alignment of the stones with the solstices suggests a deep understanding of astronomy. Others believed it to be a sacred burial ground, a final resting place for revered ancestors. The discovery of human remains and artifacts supports this theory, hinting at rituals and ceremonies long forgotten. Despite years of study and speculation, Stonehenge has held on to its secrets, revealing only fragments of its story. Stonehenge held on to its secrets, its true purpose remaining an enigma. Its true purpose remaining an enigma, a puzzle that continues to intrigue and inspire. The stones themselves, with their ancient carvings and imposing presence, seem to guard their mysteries jealously. As the seasons change and the years roll by, Stonehenge stands as a timeless sentinel, watching over the plains. Theories abound, from the practical to the fantastical, each adding a layer to the rich tapestry of its history. Whether it was a calendar, a place of healing, or a monument to the dead, Stonehenge continues to captivate our imagination. Its enduring presence reminds us of the ingenuity and spirit of our ancestors, who left behind this monumental legacy. As we stand in its shadow, we are connected to a past that is both distant and ever-present, a testament to human curiosity and wonder. Stonehenge remains an enduring enigma, a symbol of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the annals of history. And so, the questions persist, inviting each new generation to seek answers, to dream, and to wonder. Stonehenge, an enduring enigma on Salisbury Plain, continues to stand as a beacon of the unknown, a monument to the timeless quest for knowledge. Recent discoveries have shed new light on Stonehenge's ancient secrets, revealing a story not just of stone and sky, but of people. These revelations have transformed our understanding of this iconic monument, showing that it was much more than a mere collection of stones arranged in a circle. It was a living, breathing testament to the ingenuity and unity of ancient civilizations. This was not merely a temple to the cosmos or a tomb for the dead, it was a symbol of unity, a testament to the shared heritage of a people scattered across a land. The stones themselves, some weighing up to 25 tons, were transported over vast distances, a feat that required not just physical strength but also incredible coordination and cooperation among different groups. The landscape around Stonehenge was a bustling hub of activity, where people from various regions came together, bringing their unique skills and traditions. The breakthrough came with a deeper understanding of the monument's construction. Archaeologists and researchers have meticulously studied the site, uncovering new layers of information that paint a vivid picture of its creation. They have found evidence of sophisticated engineering techniques and tools that were used to shape and position the stones with remarkable precision. This newfound knowledge has opened up a window into the past, allowing us to see the ingenuity and determination of the people who built Stonehenge. It was not the work of a single homogeneous group as previously thought. Instead, the construction of Stonehenge was a collaborative effort that spanned generations and involved multiple communities. Each group brought their own expertise and resources, contributing to a project that was greater than the sum of its parts. This collective endeavor is a testament to the power of human collaboration and the shared vision that united these ancient people. Instead, evidence points to a collaborative effort, a coming together of people from across ancient Britain. This unity is reflected in the diversity of artifacts found at the site, which include tools and pottery from different regions. These findings suggest that Stonehenge was a melting pot of cultures, where people from various backgrounds came together to achieve a common goal. The monument stands as a symbol of this unity, a reminder of what can be accomplished when people work together towards a shared purpose. Stonehenge was not just a place, it was a purpose, a testament to the power of shared belief and collective action. The ceremonies and rituals that took place at Stonehenge were a reflection of the spiritual and cultural significance of the site. These gatherings were not just about worship or celebration, They were a way for people to connect with each other and with the land. Stonehenge was a focal point for the community, a place where people came together to celebrate their shared heritage and to forge a sense of identity and belonging. The legacy of Stonehenge continues to inspire us today, reminding us of the enduring power of unity and collaboration. At the heart of Stonehenge lies the altar stone, a massive block of sandstone distinct from the monument's iconic bluestones. While the bluestones were transported from the Preseli Hills in Wales, the altar stone's origins lie even further afield, in the rugged highlands of Scotland. This discovery was a revelation. It spoke of a journey spanning hundreds of miles, a logistical and engineering feat that defied the limitations of the time. More importantly, it spoke of a connection that transcended geographical boundaries, a shared belief system that united people from the farthest reaches of the island. Section 4. Celestial Harmony, Aligning with the Cosmos. Stonehenge's connection to the cosmos is undeniable. The arrangement of its stones aligns with key celestial events, such as the summer solstice sunrise and the winter solstice sunset. These alignments were not mere coincidence, they were deliberate, reflecting a deep understanding of the heavens and their cycles. The altar stone, positioned within this celestial framework, takes on added significance. It suggests that the unification symbolized by Stonehenge was not just earthly, but cosmic. It was a recognition of humanity's place within a larger order, a universe governed by the immutable laws of nature. Section 5. A gathering place for a changing world. The construction of Stonehenge coincided with a period of significant societal change in ancient Britain. The transition from a hunter-gatherer lifestyle to a more settled agricultural existence brought about new social structures, new challenges, and new opportunities for conflict. In this context, Stonehenge's role as a symbol of unity takes on even greater significance. It served as a neutral ground, a place where people from different tribes and regions could come together to celebrate their shared heritage, settle disputes, and forge alliances. Section 6. The Enduring Legacy of Stonehenge. Stonehenge stands today as a testament to the enduring power of unity and shared purpose. It is a reminder that even in the face of adversity and change, it is our common humanity that binds us. As we stand before these ancient stones, we are reminded of the generations who came before us, who looked up at the same stars and pondered the same mysteries. We are reminded that we are part of a continuum, a story that stretches back to the dawn of humanity and forward to the stars. Section 7. Conclusion. Echoes of the past, whispers of unity. Stonehenge, once an enigma shrouded in mystery, is now revealing its secrets. Through the diligent work of archaeologists and researchers, we're beginning to understand the profound significance of this ancient monument. Each stone, each artifact unearthed, tells a story of a bygone era, offering us glimpses into the lives of the people who once walked these grounds. It is a story not just of stone and sky, but of people. People who overcame immense challenges to create something that would connect them across time and space. Imagine the sheer determination and ingenuity required to transport these massive stones from distant quarries, to shape them with primitive tools, and to align them with such precision. These ancient builders were not just constructing a monument, they were crafting a legacy, a testament to their unity and shared vision. The discovery of the altar stone's Scottish origin and its alignment with celestial events paints a picture of a society that valued unity, collaboration, and a deep connection to the cosmos. This alignment with the stars and the sun suggests that these ancient people had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. They were not just looking at the heavens, they were integrating their knowledge into their daily lives, their rituals, and their very identity. Stonehenge is a reminder that even in a world often divided, there is more that unites us than divides us. As we stand in the shadow of these ancient stones, we are reminded of our shared humanity. People from all walks of life, from different cultures and backgrounds, come to Stonehenge, drawn by a common curiosity and a desire to connect with the past. It is a place where differences fade and the shared human experience takes center stage. It is a testament to the enduring human spirit, our capacity for cooperation, and our timeless fascination with the universe and our place within it. Through the changing seasons, under the vast expanse of the sky, Stonehenge stands as a silent witness to the passage of time. It reminds us that while civilizations may rise and fall, the human spirit remains resilient. always reaching out, always seeking to understand, to connect, and to find meaning in the cosmos. Stonehenge is not just a relic of the past, it is a beacon of unity, a symbol of our collective journey through time.